Doc type you can use if you want as of now, but still it is not useful. After few example it will be helpful. So better start from the HTML tag. Head you can follow. Head, and then style you can follow. Head body. Under body, you can write something. Under the head you will open the style and close the style. So style open and close under the. Now go for body. Right inside one. You can write call div tag for this. ID equal to block 1, block 1, block 2, block 3, block 1, block 2, block 3, block 1, block 2, block 3. Okay, so division written, 3 division, ID block 1 to 3. Now go for the first block. In first block, you write some text content. Anything you write 3, 4 line. Anything 3, 4. Write little more content. First keep in one block. More content you can add. ABCD many times. Now after that, write the CSS for block 1. Write call has block 1. Inside will keep call height of the block. Height keep very minimum. Maybe 60, 70, 80 or 100 is okay, 100 px. Height, give the width somewhere 300 px or 200 you write, small width. Then put the margin 30 pixel surrounding the area. Then keep float left in this example and put background as a red color. Background red color. Okay, for block 1, here now, check one also, it will give you one small division in the left side of the screen, something like this. And content is going outside. Content is going outside the region. Height is small and content is more. So that purposefully I wrote more content so that it should move out. Then we'll come to know what is the problem of height property. If you write height in pixel directly, this problem will come. If content will be more than given height, then the content will move outside. Okay, but when content is moving outside, we have solution for that. But here we are trying to identify what will happen if you are writing called height. What will happen if you write called height? And in height, if you are writing the value in pixel. So 100 pixel we wrote the height for this division, and one user came and he given the more input, more content. Now what happened is content went outside. Come to the next division. Same content you copy and paste in second division, that is called block 2. Same content you copy and paste in block 2. Same content you copy and paste in block 2. For block 2 also we have to write some certain CSS. Okay, same content you copy and paste in block 2. Then CSS block 1 you copy and paste again below. Block 1 you copy and paste again below. Change the ID to block 2. Background you change to something different color, maybe a sky blue color. sky blue color. So block 2 also will appear like that. Same content will get overflow. Block 2 you will find the similar content will get overflow. Since similar CSS you copy and pasted, you can see here content is overflowing. Now we need to find out the solution. In the first case you wrote height 100 px. Now in the second case height will replace with the mean height that represent minimum height. Minimum height is 100 px. But if content will more, the automatically height will get increased. The height what 100 pixel you are given, it will get expanded automatically. Okay, your content will not go out of containers. You can see now happening. So mean height what represent? Mean height represent something like this. You can see mean height, it's like that. So everything is same. Only the height we replace with the mean height. Right? Then what difference will come? As your content will increase more than 100 pixel, height will increase. But if the content is decreasing less than 100, height will not decrease. Minimum will be 100. So that let me show you. So maximum you saw when the content is more, it has increased automatically. When the content is less, let me reduce that and make few words only. In block 2 I remove the all content, only few words I left. You can see here the minimum is how much? 100 px, right? So that is the difference of height and mean height. Height will take how much? Minimum and maximum, what you have written that will take always. But mean height says if your content is more, I can increase. But if your content is less, I cannot decrease. Okay. Now another one more property we have. So let's copy the same content. So clear these 2 points. Which one? Height and mean height. Height is fixed. Mean height is minimum will be fixed. Maximum is based on content. Okay. Now same content to copy and paste under the block 3. Same content to copy and paste under the block 3. And for block 3, we will add again CSS. For block 3. Block 3. You write here call. Block 3. Change the color as orange color. Then inside mean height to replace with the height only, but give the value as a auto. Okay, give the height as auto. So height auto say your content is less or more, no matter how much content you have, according to content it will get rearranged. If content will increase, it will increase automatically. If content will decrease, it will decrease automatically. Check once. 3 blocks will come side by side, equal height, equal margin. But since based on property, the content will also behave in different way. We go here and we'll add here for few more lines. Okay, 2 lines I added. After this, you can see height is increased automatically. If you decrease the content, then see it is getting decreased or not. I decrease the content of block 3, you can see it get decreased, right? So benefit of all 3 you understood or not? Height is fixed always. Whether you have less content, more content, no matter, it is always fixed. Next one is called mean height. In that, minimum height is fixed. If your content is more, it will increase automatically. But if the content is less, it will not decrease. That is called mean height. Height auto says fully based on content. How much content you have, accordingly it will increase and decrease. If content increase, height will increase. Content decrease, height will also decrease. Okay?
So in block 2, it was block with the license.
Where?
Block
left. Everywhere float left only we are written. Everywhere we are written called float left. Okay, so clear. How many type of height? 3 type of height. So we'll go to the developer guide and we can write one line of note. Make a note in developer guide. What we'll write is, we have written in the beginning somewhere. Here we have written height. So you can write for one is height in pixel, height in px. That is called fixed height. Another one is mean height. Mean height pixel. You can write minimum height is fixed. Maximum based on contents. Maximum based on contents. Third one you have called height colon auto. Only based on contents. We can write here minimum and maximum, mean and max, height, only based on contents. minimum and maximum fully based on contents. So next, now we are related to width. So in width we can write using this following ways. You have one width property directly that we are writing now. That we can write in pixel. When you write in pixel, it will be fixed. It will fixed. It will fixed. It will fixed. Like when you write in pixel, then what will happen? Whether a small device or large device, no problem. What is the width of the screen? No matter. In every screen, it will become a fixed. Okay, every screen it will become a fixed. That is called a pixel. When you write width only, but when you follow the percentage, then you can say percentage, right? Percentage. So what will happen? It will based on screen width. It will based on screen width. It will be wrong. Keeping word here, right here. It is fixed. It is based on screen width. So if you open in laptop and say 90%, it will take the 90% of laptop. If you open in mobile and say 90%, it will take the 90% of mobile. Okay, that is called width property. We have one more called minimum hyphen width. That you can write in percentage or pixel, both is fine. Pixel / percentage. Another one you have max hyphen width. That also can be in pixel as well as can be in percentage. Okay. Another one you can write in note. Width auto is default. That is based on type of tag. Okay. That is based on type of tag. Width auto is the default and that is based on type of tag. Like suppose when you say H1 tag. So what is the width of H1 tag? H1 tag in first or second class you might have seen. When we write H1, where it go? It prints in the name line. When you write another H1, that will also go to the name line. Two H1 will not come in same line, side by side. The reason is what? H1 is called the block level tag. So here when we write the width for H1, when we say width is auto for H1, width is auto for H1. So question is what is the width auto? So width auto, even I have written here, it is based on type of content. So H1 is a block level tag. So what will be the width by default? By default width will be 100%. Okay, if you are writing called label tag. So label is an inline tag. What will be the width of inline tag? That is fully based on again how much? Auto. If you write few lines, it will become just few bits. If you write more line, the width will get increased. If you write lot of line, it will become how much? 100%. Okay. So that way we can write which one? Width either in pixel or in percentage or width in minimum pixel or width in the maximum width. When we come to the minimum and maximum, it can be both pixel and percentage also. If you are making it a fixed width, then you can use the pixel. If you are writing it a percentage, depend on device. If you are making fully responsive, then you can follow this one. Call it a percentage. Okay, because every user screen size is not same. Your laptop screen size is different. My laptop screen size is different. So when you create a page, it should fit in all the device. Then suppose someone will say media query. The media query is next step, not now. Okay. If suppose someone have idea of user, then say media query. Media query is next step. Now you are learning fundamental, individual tag, entity, and their attribute. Okay, let's come next. Okay, now next what we have written in the beginning, this one. What is it? Background, right? So we can create the background example, then we'll come to the padding. Margin we have written here, but padding we have not written. We will leave the background related. Create a file, separate file, background.html. Create a file for background.html. Background.html, same folder, under internal only. Okay, come inside this file, start from HTML, and I will use the ID and class both together. Head will follow, and style will follow. You will open the body tag, and you will close the body tag. Okay, now right inside, one H1 tag, CSS, type of background example, type of background. So first we can write total 9 division. Div, you keep 1, 2, 3. Class equal to my pg. Class equal to my pg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. Okay, change the number also. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so my PG we wrote. Let's go now. Now, inside the my PG, everywhere you write call a class called BG1, BG2, BG3, BG4, BG4. Then question is, can we call more than one class together? Yes, we can call. Some feature it will take from the my BG and some feature it will take from the BG1. Okay, so from my BG it will take something and from BG2 it will take something. BG4, BG5, or BG4, BG5, BG6, BG7, BG8, BG9, BG9. Okay. So we have discussed in the beginning, when we want similar kind of design multiple times, then we will use the class. So height and width should be same. For all the division, height and width should be same. Only background should be different. So height and width is same, so we wrote only one class. One class we wrote for height and width purpose, as well as for background we wrote another class. So now see how we are going to combine this. First write a class called myBG. myBG. In that you write background. So background will not come in this, because background we are going to write separate height. Height colon 150 px. Width also somewhere 200 px. Margin between margin 30 px. Height width margin. Then another one is called float. Float is left. Next is called font size. Font size 40 px. So this is common for all. Now all your division will fit side by side automatically. It will fit side by side automatically. Margin, height, width we have written. Background also we need to write now. So first check your division is fitting all the divisions side by side. 1, 2, 3 will be written. Font size will be 40 sufficient. That is called class. When we want similar feature multiple time, then what we can do? We can use the common class, so that right? Font size, if you feel small, you can make 60. It will become very big font size. Something like this. Now you write a class for dot BG1. BG1 background. Background call it any color. Sky blue. So where you call the BG1, their background will change into sky blue. Okay. So hope you check one place background is coming, right? So which property you follow? You follow the property for background. Now go for the next one. Dot BG2. In that you follow. In BG2. In BG2 we can follow background hyphen color. Background hyphen color. Any color your wish. Maybe red, green, blue, anything is there. Or same color is also fine, sky blue. Sequence. Then so both the places background is applied. One place using background, another place using the background color. Now write the third one, BG3. Dot BG3. Background hyphen color. Read only. Okay. Background hyphen color. RGB. Combination of RGB. Red, green, blue. In that, you put the value of red 100. It's from 0 to 255. 100 red combination, 70, 80 green combination, blue 100 combination. It will generate a color. RGB. Blue, let me keep 200. So it will become a little more color. We'll increase the value of red ones. 255, 250, and last one I'll keep called 100. So it should be more red. More red. BG3. So where we call the BG3, there this color will apply. So you can consider like red, green, and blue. Red, green, blue. 3 bucket is there. So you take the value of red to 55, the value of green as a 80, and the value of blue as a how much? 100. Next together. And after that, you see which color is generating. Okay, that becomes a RGB. Something like this. Next, generate another one. BG4. BG4. In BG4, you write background, icon color itself, and write inside call RGB, and one more call A. Okay, RGBA. So RGBA, what is going to teach us? RGBA. Okay, so the RGBA is okay. Last A is nothing but the which red, green value, red, green, blue are writing here. Red, green, blue. After mixing this red, green, blue, what will be the final? Red is coming red, so we will change here to 255. 255. Green we need to take as 80 only, and blue we need to take 100. And this last alpha is coming. This alpha you remove and give the range between 0.1 to 0.1 to 1. 0.1. So instead of giving 0.1, we'll write 0.5. So it represents the half of the what color you have generated. So not half also you can say the last A is going to set the brightness of color. The color is coming same as what we have given here. 255, it is 255, let's give 200. So 200, 80, 100. Okay, everything is same, but brightness is 50%. That is for 0.5. So it will not be like full red like this. It will be little like light pink. You can see BG4, half of the third one. So 4 way in the note, you have written. Let's write the fifth one. Fifth one is nothing but we are going to set the background with the image. So in current folder, one photo is required. You have photo in current folder, internal CSS. It was somewhere, I guess, external, not external. It was in HTML project folder. So copy any photo from system. Copy any photo from the system and keep under that. Keep under that CSS internal folder. Keep one photo as a one.jpg. Okay, photo we have here. Now come to the CSS. Right call BG5. .bg5. Inside you are going to write background hyphen image colon URL, and you will set here call one.jpg. Background of the division. One.jpg. Background hyphen image one.jpg. You will see it will not cover the full width. It will display some corner of photo. Check now, the background is coming. Photo is coming as a background, but it's not look like a photo. One corner of photo is covering, right? We have property. Using that, we can make the photo to cover the full width. That is called background hyphen size. Okay, 100% of the height as well as 100% of the width. 100% of the width. Background size 100% height and 100% width. Tell me. Which one is not coming? Image you have in folder. What is the photo name?
Download name is return CSS.
Photo name. Picture name. Rename. Right click and rename. One. Come in. Photo will fit like this. See, photo will fit like this. Photo will cover the full. That is called set the height as 100% and width as 100%. The photo here. What is the name of the photo? GDG. Okay. Now come here. Here the file. Is here the file. That is called GDG file. Now you write it. Yes. It is okay. Okay, so next, now photo appear for everyone. The photo is not getting compressed also. Photo is fitting exact with the same picture quality. This property is helping you. That is called cover the full height and cover the full width of the image. Sequence. Folder, that is called one. How to rename, that also will guide you. First to click on the photo, do the right click, and then go for the rename feature. Go for the rename, and in rename don't write 3.1.jpg because it is already JPG extension. You just write only one like this. Press only one. It is already JPG file. You should not write .jpg again. Your file extension will be jpg.jpg. Someone was having the error. You have not sent the code in chat. Coming? Yes, you that. Right click. Then go to the code. There you go. 0. Come on, please. There you go. Yes, here. Give me a mouse. This is called background and URL. This file is given under the internal, and this photo is given under the external. Where is that? Yes, where is this? The file is here. You are cutting it. How it will work? It will not work. This is copy and pasting right. Photo name is 1.80. There you are calling only this way. How it will work? Go to this first. Copy this. Go to the internal. Paste here. Now come to the browser. Replace coming. Are you not doing? Okay, now come next again. Now what else we have? We have another one, BG6. BG6. Inside the BG6 we write background hyphen image colon linear gradient. Linear gradient. In linear gradient, you have to pass the multiple color name. Like background, you can set multiple color also. So first let's keep red, comma, green, comma, blue. 3 color. So it will set the background of BG6 using 3 color, red, green and blue. Red, green and blue. So we can see something like this. Top to bottom, red, green, blue. By default, it's called as a two top. Write the 7th one, BG7. In that, we will write. In BG7, we will write 2 left, comma. Again, something red, green, blue. The direction will get changed. Here, written BG7. BG7 will be something like this. The direction will be different. Now right call, next call, 2 right, BG8, 2 right, 2 right, and BG9, so left right, BG9, 2 up down, 2 down, 2 down, 2 down is not there, 2 down is not coming, BG9, 2, what is that, bottom, 2 bottom, 2 bottom, both are similar. So, top, right, 2 top, first one is by default is bottom, 2 top, so it will be just in reverse. First will be blue, then green, then red. This is the 2 down, bottom, this is up. Not bottom up, top and bottom. Top and bottom. Okay, so change. Right, so this all are you have called which color? Background color. Total how many ways? 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. 9 we have total numbers. So 9 way we can set a background for a division. Okay. Now let's create next file called border. Okay, so this list you need to add in developer guide. So check now, working for all. Come to developer guide. We can make a note of these 9 types. What you wrote? One called background. Second, background hyphen color. Third, background hyphen, what is that? Color only, COLOR. But as a value be given in RGB here. Okay, so background color, let it be only one. Background hyphen image, you write. Background image. Here we wrote called red. I will keep there only. Background is red. Background hyphen color colon red. Right. Next we wrote background hyphen color as a RGB. Next we wrote background hyphen color with RGBA. The next you wrote called background hyphen image colon URL. Next you wrote called background hyphen image colon linear gradient multiple color, example red, green, blue, something. Next you wrote called background linear gradient only, but with the direction. Background linear gradient with the direction, that is called to left. Next we wrote called to right. Then we wrote called to what is that? Top. To top was first one. This is called to bottom. To bottom. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This all you have for the background purpose. We can use this all for background. Next, after this, we have called border color. That is also of 8 types. We can set the border using 8 types. Change here, no, to top. That's all. We have implemented already. Okay, now come down. After margin, this is writing or right written. Let's write it. Come down, right after this. Next call border. Border. First to write called type of border. Type of border. So the type of border we have, one is called solid. Complete line will come. Second one is called dotted. Dotted dot will come. Third one is called dashed. Dash border will come. Fourth one is called double line border will come. Fifth one is called all inset. Sixth one outset. Seventh one reach. Eighth one road. These all are the type of border. Okay. Next right called direction of border. What are the side you can apply the border? Direction of border. So if you write only border means all side. All side. Next we have called border hyphen top. Which side? Top side. Next we have called border hyphen left. From left side. Next we have called border hyphen where? Right. Right side. Border hyphen bottom. Where? Bottom side. One more is there called border none. And you what? No border. One more you have called short code. That is called short code. Right called SHORT short code. In that short code, how will you write? In short code, you will write like this. In short code, you will write like this. Called border. The first number reflect from top. Second number reflect from left right. And third number reflect from where? Bottom. BOTT or bottom. Now you write a final example. That is called border colon 10 px solid applied double red color. So what will happen is it will create a 10 pixel red color double line border. Okay. In that there is no any sequence of the value. First can be red also, second can be number also, third can be double also. Okay. That last value what you are given 3 value, there is no any certain sequence. It can be anyone anywhere. Obviously writing in system, sorry, notebook. Notebook cannot help you better, no. Write in system, your typing speed will increase. Because in company they will not give the notebook and pen to write the code. They will give a system to write the code. So prepare from today only, no. Try to write in notebook. Okay. System we are following so that one comma will be wrong, then we'll get error. Else we should write the notebook only. In notebook we write and assume this is the code. Don't believe that it will work. Right? If you write in notebook, then what is the guarantee that will work? Will it guarantee? No. One dot will be missed, it will not work. You will try here, there, and close it. That's all. Okay. So write in system will be able to. Okay, later on suppose this page become assume like 200 pages. Right, it will take 100 rupees, take a print out whenever you want to read it. That is also solution, no? Smart way. Notebook will also come in 100 rupees. There you are writing manually. Number one, your typing speed is gone. Same thing you write in the system, file will be ready. Go to the cyber cafe, take the print out, 10 pages will come maximum 20 rupees. When you will increase the speed, that is my question. When the increase the speed will increase. This is the time if you write then speed will increase.
So because the rival option of Friday.
Okay, that leave that. Next from next class, I'll suggest you write in system. Create and develop the write in that. So you will keep writing. Notes will be ready. Then when you want to read hard copy, no problem. Take a print of 1, 2 rupees will come.
It is worse. It is worse.
Okay, go ahead. So we have written that, right? We'll create example, border, create a file border.html. In which folder? Same folder, internal only. So all you wrote, right? So how will you remember this? This all 6, 7 will remember? Not 6, 7, 8 are there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we'll write a file, border.html. Border.html. So go to this file, HTML, head, style. Follow the body. Now right inside paragraph. Okay. How many paragraph? How many type of border we have? 8 type of border we have. Right. So right here, border 1. Write ID equal to B1. Write ID equal to B1. Then repeat this total line 8 times. B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8. Okay. B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8. Now write here also B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8. Now write the CSS for tag name, that is called P. Write the CSS for P tag. For P tag directly write the CSS, saying like margin, assume code 30 px. Then again, height of the each P, 200 is okay. Width of each P, 200 is okay. Then after that, float you keep to the left as of now. Float left, margin you given. Font size also you give. Font size you give somewhere about 30 px. So this is common for all the paragraph tag. All the paragraph will have some certain height and width, margin from surrounding, as well as it will fit side by side float left. Okay, now write the CSS for ID, first ID. That is called as B1, border, 10px, solid red color for B1. So it will give the complete a solid line border for first paragraph, and that will be in red color, something like this. Similar way, you write for all 2, 4, 6, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Now change the B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8. Okay, solid. Second you change to dotted. Third you change to dashed. Fourth you change to double. Fifth you change to inset. Sixth you change to outset. Seventh you change to inset, outset, after that reach. Then last you change to groove. Okay, so these all are the border. We have same color we are given all the places, so that we can identify the difference. Everywhere same color is, so that we can identify the difference. happening. 7 type of border will come. This is last one, inset, outset, region, roof. These two look like 3D border. In the inset, you can see border we have on the top we have dark, bottom we have red. Here you will see top we have red and bottom we have dark. Okay, minor difference, not much. Here this look like a 3D. Album will happen. In album there will be round of something. Okay, so you try it. And again, we'll see you tomorrow with the next we have called padding. And after covering the padding, we will see the another one, display property. We have 6, 7 type.